Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to prioritize tickets with work modes in Zoho Desk. This feature is incredibly useful for managing your support workflow more efficiently, allowing you to organize and tackle tickets based on their urgency level. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to Zoho Desk and log in to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all customer support activities. From here, locate the Tickets module and click on it. This section houses all the support tickets your team is handling, and it's where you'll be spending most of your time when managing customer requests. Once you click on Tickets, you'll see a list of all your tickets in different statuses and categories under your Zoho Desk account. By default, you might see them organized in a standard view, but we're going to change that to something more useful for prioritization. To set the view on work mode, look for the View drop-down at the top of your ticket list. It's currently showing something like Company View. Click on this drop-down and you'll see 4 different options under the Work Mode section. These include Status Mode, Handshake Mode, Countdown Mode, and the one we're looking for, Priority Mode. Each of these views offers a different way to organize your tickets, but Priority Mode is specifically designed to help you focus on what needs attention first. Go ahead and click on Priority Mode. You'll immediately see the view change, and it gives you a list of all your tickets organized by priority level from high to medium and low. This visual organization makes it much easier to identify which tickets require immediate attention and which ones can wait a bit longer. It's a simple shift, but it can dramatically improve how you manage your workload throughout the day. Now, if you need to change the priority of a specific ticket, here's how you do it. Click on the checkbox next to the ticket you want to update to select it. Once it's selected, look for the Update Field button. This is the circular-looking icon near the top of your ticket list. Click on it to open the Update options. Under the Select Fields to Update drop-down, choose Priority. This tells Zoho Desk exactly what attribute of the ticket you want to modify. Then, under the New Value drop-down, choose High or any other prioritization level that fits the urgency of that ticket. This action will move it to the appropriate priority column, ensuring it gets the attention it deserves based on its importance. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used work modes in Zoho Desk to prioritize your tickets effectively. This simple workflow adjustment helps you stay organized and ensures that urgent issues are handled first. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.